Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning channel. Today our lesson is about doubles and halves. We are going to find the doubles and the halves of the numbers. So success criteria is after this lesson, you can find the doubles of the numbers and you can find the halves of the numbers. So let's get started. What do you know about halves? Halves is nothing but two equal or corresponding parts. That is, when you have a one whole part, when you divide them into two equal parts. I want you to pay attention to my browser as I am moving to show you the division. So when you divide the shape into two equal parts, so either of the two equal or corresponding parts is called as half. Now let's see what does it mean by doubles. Doubles is adding the number again. So 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4. Okay, when we add the same number again, we call it as doubles. Now let's have a look at some of the examples. Before that, I want you to watch this video. Go to this link and watch the video if you want to excel more in this topic. Now let's see what is double. Like we have two ducks here. Okay, let's see what is the doubles of 2. So we are going to add the same number again. So 2 plus 2 is, well done, 4. And now let's see what is the half of this 4. Let's divide this. So when I divide this into half, we get, well done, 2. Now let's have a look at some more examples. We have 3 butterflies. Let's see what is the double of these 3 butterflies. I told you we are going to add the same number again. So 3 plus 3. So what is 3 plus 3? Well done, 6. Now let's see the half of the 6. Okay? What is the half of the 6? Like we divided it into equal half. Well done, it's 3. Now we have 4 monkeys here. 4. What is the double of 4? Means we are going to add the same number again. Well done. So 4 and 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now let's see what is the half of 8. We are going to divide this equally. Well done. It's 4. Okay? And now, let's see what is the half of this 10. I have 10 stars here. Can you guess what is the half of this 10? Well done. It's 5. Let's see what is the double of 5. I have 5. Now let's double this number. Can you make a guess? Well done. So 5 and 5 is 10. Excellent. Now look here. I have the pictures of dogs. I have 6 dog pictures. Can you double these pictures? Lovely. So 6 and 6 makes 12. Now, let's look at this picture. I have some balls picture. Can you count with me how many are they? Well done. They are 8. So there are 8 ball pictures. Can you double this? Well done. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and have a good day.